Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Chlorine forms bonds with different elements, but which one creates the most ionic character? Let's solve this chemistry puzzle together right now. You got this! Ionic character depends entirely on the electronegativity difference between two atoms. To find the most ionic bond, we need to find the element that is the least like chlorine itself. Chlorine is a nonmetal with very high electronegativity. We need to pair it with a metal from the far left of the periodic table to maximize that specific chemical difference. Potassium is an alkali metal with very low electronegativity. This massive gap makes the bond extremely ionic, so option D is our winner. Great job!
Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.